All right, to start off, you're gonna wanna open these holes in the ground. Then you're gonna go over to that closet and get these big red volleyball poles. And you're gonna need another person sometimes because they are very heavy. If you're like me, you're gonna get cold. Now you're gonna lift it up and place it into the ground, like so. You're gonna make sure that this part is facing out. You're gonna grab a crank from the front desk and then you're gonna put it in this right here. All right. Next, you're gonna grab the end that does not have the crank and you are going to pull up the tension string and put it over the pulley on the top of the volleyball net pole, and you are going to pull it down and hook it on this little red hook on the pole. You're gonna move to the other side and you're gonna grab the net. Again, you're gonna grab the tension string and pull it up over the pulley on the top of the volleyball net. From there, you're gonna find this little hook and you are going to have to hook the volleyball tension string on there. And you're going to turn it to the right and keep a hold on to it because it likes to come off the hook. And you're gonna pull it and wrap it around that to give the net tension. This is what it will look like when it is done. Then you're gonna take the white Velcro strings and put them through the little black hook, and then you're going to Velcro them together. Make sure that they are like behind the tension strings. Make sure you do all three of them. Then you're gonna take this last string, unhook it from this thing, and then tightly wrap it around the pole so the bottom half of the net is taut. Then you're going to go back to the other side and repeat those steps. You can also take the blue pads or put them on after you set up everything else. You will grab the blue pad and you want to make sure that the side with only 2 Velcro straps is facing the outside. And then you will just go through and re-Velcro them back together. Ta-da! Now the volleyball net is set up and ready for playing.